Welcome to the stream. I'm with my buddy Jack. We'll be playing a couple games of Pubg. Hopefully it'll be hilarious.
Nope.
I hope to make a funny ass YouTube video out of this. I tried it a long time ago in like 2018.
Nope.
Like Pubg Mobile. And you know what? You're really you know what? You're really fucking bringing me down right now.
We should go to Hainan. Oh, Hainan. North.
Jesus.
Hey?
What's up, buddy?
My lip is burning from the pizza that I touched.
I like your shoes. Hold up. I like your shoes. It's funny too. I was like, I'm surprised nobody landed here. Oh, he has the whole fit, dude. Oh my god. Yo, look at my fit, dude.
You look fire. You got pants?
I like your shoes better though, bro. Man, you got the Benjamin Franklin 76s.
Yup.
Sheesh.
Sheesh.
I need the DBS.
I got the DBS.
Ah!
You already know I'm gonna win with this. Cause shotguns.
You found the DBS?
Yeah, shotguns are so wonderful in this game. I play any other type of battle royale game, and they suck booty.
Oh yeah.
Because apparently SMGs are god tier in Apex, so I can't really compete with a shotgun. There's another SK-12 over here. What is that? Tactical style?
Should go.
Yeah. That guy had a partner, but he went somewhere.
Yeah, he did. So either he abandoned his buddy or his buddy abandoned.
Well, we gotta find a car, bro.
For real.
One of those driver taxi cars. Yep.
Oh, it's like right there, dude. Come on.
Dude, what is this hill? I'm not no mountain goat.
Side jump. Oh.
Down. You got him. You got him.
Got killed.
Watch out.
Oh, I'm not paying attention.
Let's go. Go before you get knocked
yeah,
down.
I gotta hit.
They got the jumpsuit. I'm taking the jumpsuit.
Yeah, you can have it. With the Mickey Mouse gloves.
Oh, nah. Oh, the truck, bro.
Like a bitty bang.
The truck, bro.
Whoa, something came off of it.
Oh yeah, it's a ammo box.
Oh, what?
If you shoot parts off of it, like, shit comes off. Like, I blew up the back.
See, I didn't know that.
Yeah, if
And
you
I had no idea, so we have to do that every time now. I had no idea.
You break parts off, you get different boxes. I shot a missile in the back, so I got a big, like, supply box. That had, like, a level 3 vest.
Yeah, see, I didn't know you could fucking do that.
I think.
Damn. He's hiding right there.
One
Wish you
blow
could
his
shoot
head
their
off.
walls. Yeah, just throw the Molotov. He's like right there at that thing.
I see him. That was not
Molotov
that
that.
also. Burn, baby, burn. Burn, baby. Oh, I'm gonna die. Just go down. Green F pants. Let's get the ice cream goggles. Oh, I need
Like
heal, bro.
pants.
There's someone up ahead of me, northeast.
take them out, or do you want backup?
I think I can get him, but you noticed I was there. Oh shoot, bro! Oh no!
Damn.
Yeah, I'm dead. There's like 50. There's like this is all bang on basically. I'm gonna try to stay alive. Please.
Right.
Just get me. Just get me. You don't. Oh, he's to the right. To the right. But watch out to your left.
4-kill game.
Yeah, you got a lot. You got a lot.
Trial and error, ladies and gentlemen. Trial and error. There was just so many at one time I couldn't
was a
really like
warm-up.
tell which one to go from.
That was a warm up.
Come, I want to play a game.
Jamie, do you want to play a game? Hey, can you? So I've been hearing a lot about you, Jigsaw. But what was this? You put people through tests and see if they could pass the trial? Hey, Jamie, can you pull up that?
Yeah.
Did they die?
Hey, Jigsaw, remember when your wife's baby got fucking smashed between a door and a wall? Hey, yo, Jamie, can we pull that up? No!
Some big boobs.
Make your guy fly. Ready?
No, I'm making my wings flat. Now watch me whip.
Now watch me break into this girl's house.
Hey, the people in the jail be like, hey, Science, do the whip, do the dance.
Say it for me. Say it, dude. Say the thing. You already know who it is.
Oh boy, man. Like, hey, do the whip before I'll get you.
You nay before you get a whooping.
Man, itself is.
Look how what?
Look if I. Wait, let's recreate that one meme. Hey, look, Spider-Man over there. Wait, you gotta say it. You gotta say it to me. You gotta say it to me.
Hey, with the Spider-Man over there.
Turn around, Spider-Man over there.
I'm gonna put full auto on because I mean, I have like tons of ammo.
Oh! I heard gunshots. Hey, what's up, buddy?
Gunshots. Wait.
Right there.
Dumbass. Look at this dumbass. Look at this dumbass. There's
Yeah.
dumbass crawling.
Hey, look, there's Spider-Man over there.
You bend it now. Watch out for someone behind you because I heard some shots. Oh, ballistic mask. Let's go.
Hello. Was that a gunshot for me?
Hold on, I gotta put Frankie. How is he? I heard the gunshot.
Check the houses or something.
What house? There he is.
Wow.
Back over here. Is he at that
Ain't no
rock?
fucking way.
Oh, he's right there.
Yeah,
That's
he's
the
right
Breaking
there.
Bad setup.
He's at the Walter White crib.
He's at El Canario.
Whoa!
He had a fro on, bro. He's like Boosty Collins. With those glasses he's got. Yeah, a plane crashed right there.
I'm scared.
Vienta. Thank God. Legend says you can still find the bodies in the plane because they never sent. They're shooting at me. They're shooting at me. He's at the hay bale at 95, 100. I'm facing. Sir.
Like far, because if it's far,
No.
there's no
You
way
see the
in hell.
thing I'm staring at over there?
Hold up. Oh. Hold on.
Why are you standing still?
I know. Why do you stand still?
And then there's someone behind us. I got him. Now.
Alright. There was a level 3 backpack where I was, by the way.
I got a
Scope,
level 3.
finally. Good God.
I'll go loot his
You got
body.
level 3?
Yeah, I already have one.
Okay.
My only son.
4 kills?
Mama's told me.
They actually know how to play.
I got him next time. Next time at Dragon Ball Z. Dude, weird.
Next time, Dragon Ball Z.
I want to pick speed, pick speed, pick speed, pick speed. It's gonna blow. Oh, they
Yeah,
landed
can we-
tires.
Oh, God, come on!
Stay still, stay still. Stop! In the name of that.
Oh, God.
Got you, I got you. Philly cheesesteak. Run, my only son.
You got to come back and get me, by the way. Oh, never mind, no, you're not. What? Oh, my God.
My only
come back.
son.
You gotta
Dude,
come back.
You're gonna die. You're dead. No, like you're dead. See the timer? Even
God
if I
fucking
reach,
damn it. Just
I'm
go.
about to die.
Go. Go. Go! Go! I'm gonna do it.
Gonna do it. Have to do it.
Watch your ass to the right of you.
Look at me.
Oh,
Look at
ghillie
me.
suit! But you got a sickle on. Yeah, you see them? To the right of you?
Yeah, I have the advantage still. I just need to watch out for windows and doors, because if I'm next to one, they will F my day up. Right now, I should be.
Oh! Nice.
It's a squad. I got it. Where's your teammate out, bro? What?
Wow. Wow. At least you won.
What? The grenade went through the window, bro.
I think it did.
Yeah, I was like, what? I was so confused. I was like, why did something just blow up in my face? And I also got a win with a dynamic duo. Obtained a chicken dinner in duos. Ooh, I didn't do that. Well, I won with the ghillie suit. Told you, ghillie suit is guaranteed win. Also, look at my. I don't want to set the world.
Watch out at that thing right here. 185.
I'm out of range, bro.
Got him. Got him.
Oh, he's in the thing. He's in the thing. Mendez. He's in the thing. Watch out, Mendez.
Oh, there's 2 of them, dude. You didn't tell me that. Come on, dude. You didn't tell me there was 2 of them.
I don't fucking know.
Tarzan.
Which one is that? Goodbye.
Hold up. No, that's.
Dude, there's clown costumes in this game. What? Look at this, bro. He's got a Pennywise mask. I need that.
Forget the Victorian fit.
Oh, too bad. We gotta find one of those clowns, dude. That's our objective for this match. We gotta find a clown. You take this fit. You gotta take his fit, bro.
You want me to wear a clown suit? Alright, fine. If I can find the head, I will definitely wear it. Forget wearing a helmet. I'll wear the clown helmet. A hat.
Yeah, but there's a clown. He had the whole face mask on, the wig.
We have to get to him first, dude.
We have to, because I know
have to
someone
get to
would
him
pick that
first.
up. But someone probably gonna kill him. He's probably really good at the game, because that's a Halloween scale thing. Costume.
Piccolo, you have some sauce.
That is one thing I hate about. This is so stupid. Is that the bridge? No way.
No, it's not
Is
the
that the
bridge. It's not the bridge.
Yeah.
It's a bridge,
It's
but it's not
a
the
bridge.
bridge.
I'm
One
coming
kill.
back. There's a
Where's
guy
that coming
blowing someone's head off. Down over here. Man, what the fuck is he blowing? That's really close. Jump and ambush him. Yep. Got him. And then there's someone down here.
There's a med carrier here. Come get
Watch
it.
out. I got him, I got him. Oh, there's no one engaged. They're all fighting behind the wall.
I know, but
Dude.
they're going.
It's Patrick and SpongeBob in this one. Just doing SpongeBob.
They're going crazy, dude.
You go monkey ball. Got visual yet?
Hell no. Oh yeah, right here. One down. Probably in this building right here, dude. Yeah, right here. They were going crazy, dude. I was like, what is going
Dude.
on?
Yeah, that was not necessary.
Now he says, Page.
Oh, cloud outfit! Cloud outfit!
No way! No
Look at what they did
way!
at the rock.
There's
over
another
here.
guy. Yeah,
Oh,
hold
throw a
on.
fly. Get it, get it, get it, get it. He's got the full clown outfit, bro. Get it, bro. This is the dude.
Okay. Okay. Here. I got you. Put the whole fit on. Oh my God, he does. Oh, come on. Let me get the. Do I have the mask on? Can't even tell.
We're winning the game.
All right, let's go over here. We gotta go this way.
Over here.
Oh, I'm looking at the wrong
Look
fucking
at the guy
area,
on the
dude.
right.
Got him.
Dude. Because I vault to that wall, it made me go slow. I should have just run around.
I was looking at the wall, thinking like he's shooting through the wall, and then I was like, wait a minute.
Circle ends here. We're gonna be screwed because there might be people here. Right here at the rocks.
Shit. Alright. Got one. His buddy's right behind this rock right here. Threw a fucking grenade like an idiot. Nice.
Watch out.
Watch out.
Oh, someone ran. Yep, he's behind the tree itself. 155.
Oh shit. That dumbass was trying to
Got him.
get some fucking thing.
Alright, on the left.
Hey, right here.
Got him. 10 kills. That's why DBS is the best shotgun.
Yeah, for
13
real.
shots,
Yes.
bro. 14
Yes,
shots, and I
it's a
didn't
good
even
gun.
need to reload.
Alright.
Let's go. That's the end. And we won. I told
won.
you, we got con suit. We won.
Clown
That was
suit.
our objective.
The clown suit. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this video. If I ever get around to actually editing
Nudes
it.
reveal at 1,500 subscribers.
No.